Hello dear learners, I am Avinash Darsimbe, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Welcome you all to the renowned diploma course in medicinal plants, traditional uses and career opportunities. Today I am delivering a lecture on medicinal plants, education and sustainable development. So dear learners, in this particular lecture, we will discuss how the medicinal plants are important in the field of education, which type of educations are required to understand such type of medicinal plants and their properties, along with the sustainable development through these medicinal plants. So in this first slide, as you can see, I have mentioned three words. These are first to know. It means first we have to know the medicinal plants. Second, conserve. How to conserve these medicinal plants. And third, grow. How to grow such type of medicinal plants. If we talk about the medicinal plants, we should know what actually the medicinal plants are. So the medicinal plants are the plants that have therapeutic properties and are used for the treatment of various type of health conditions. They have different type of phytochemical constituents which can be used to treat various type of diseases. As in this slide you can understand various type of medicinal plants, they can be used to treat neurotoxic, economically, antimicrobial, antiviral, antidiabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-malarial, and also they do not have any type of side effects. Why these medicinal plants are very much important? So right from ancient time, these medicinal plants had been used to cure various type of diseases. Right from Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and the tribal medicine system, they use different type of medicinal plants to treat various type of diseases. These plants have been used for centuries in traditional medicine system all over the world. And these medicinal plants provide the natural remedies for a wide range of health issues from common cold to chronic diseases. Many modern pharmaceutical drugs also derived or inspired from such type of medicinal plants. Actually, the particular type of compounds that had been created or secreted by the plants had been used in the traditional medicine system also and in the modern medicine system also. It means the source of such type of compounds are the medicinal plants. Now, what is the role of education and sustainable development? While the education play a crucial role in raising the awareness about the benefits and uses of medicinal plants, as the students and the pupil get aware about such type of medicinal plants that they can try to use and apply it for various type of diseases. And the sustainable development, it is a practice that is essential to ensure the long-term availability and conservation of medicinal plant species. By promoting education and sustainable development, we can enhance the responsible use of medicinal plants for healthcare purposes. As all the education system, they have a such type of particular fragments in which they ensure the basic knowledge that the student should know. So if we put this particular medicine plant in education system on a priority basis, then each and every student should know how these medicinal plants are powerful and can be used to treat different type of diseases. Now, what are the benefits of medicinal plants? First of all, these medicinal plants, these are the natural remedies for different and a wide range of diseases. These medicinal plants offer the natural remedies for a wide range of health issues, providing alternative treatment options. Now these medicinal plants, they are also cost effective. We can easily grow such type of medicinal plants, easily harvest, and these are easy to consume in any type of areas. While it may be a tribal area, it may be a modern area, we can grow and we can utilize such type of medicinal plants. And these medicinal plants are often more affordable than the synthetic drugs, the making healthcare more accessible to the diverse population. Now, in the economic development, these medicinal plants can play a crucial role. If each and every people, they should know about the medicinal properties and the phytochemical constituents of the plant, they can grow and cultivate such type of plants. And in society, if the requirement of such plants will get increased, then by the cultivation, the farmer can also take a good revenue from such type of medicinal plants. So it will help in the economic development also. And the trade for the medicinal plants, it can contribute to the economic development in communities, creating opportunities for income generation and sustainable livelihood. Now, the most important part of our particular lecture, that is, what is the education for these medicinal plants? The first thing, that is the public awareness. If we have to educate people, first we should aware them. So educating the people about the benefits and uses of medicinal plant is crucial for promoting their sustainable use and conservation. The National Medicinal Plant Board also take efforts to aware people about such type of medicinal plant and their importance. Now, the integration of the traditional knowledge is also very important. So the traditional knowledge integration is one of the major factor for the education contribution of particular type of medicinal plants in the social level. By integrating the traditional knowledge of medicinal plants with modern scientific research can enhance healthcare practices and drug development. As we in India have a traditional medicine system, now these traditional medicine system, they can work with the modern medicine system, and collaboratively they can form a particular type of drugs which are used to treat serious diseases like cancer and many other. Now, for promoting this particular tradition, there must be some type of professional trainers. So the healthcare professional training must be there. Means some people, they must be trained how to grow and cultivate such type of medicinal plants, how to harvest such type of medicinal plants, how to store them, and which part and how it is used to cure any type of diseases. So the training program for the healthcare professions on the safe and effective use of medicinal plants can improve the patient care and expand treatment options. Now, if we talk about the second part of our lecture, that is about the sustainable development. So in sustainable development, first of all, the conservation of medicinal plant species is very important. Now, for the conservation of different type of medicinal plants, we should know the plant, how we can cultivate, which type of factors are essential, like soil, water, light intensity, their environment, humidity, rainfall. So for these, we have particular type of studies. We have to take out a particular type of rare species of highly medicinal plants. We have to protect them and we have to conserve them so that in future we can use the phytoconstituents of such type of plants. So implementing the conservation strategies to protect the endangered medicinal plants and their habitats. The promotion of sustainable harvesting practices is also very important. It means while if we have to use a particular leaf of a plant, so we should harvest only the leaves. We do not have to take out the whole plant from the soil. So encouraging the sustainable harvesting techniques to ensure the long-term availability of the medicinal plants. Now, as we are talking about the medicinal plants, so they can be grown in local areas. And for to know the particular type of medicinal plants, to identify them, to cultivate them in their particular habitat, we should have the support of local communities, and we should engage them in the practices of medicinal plants. So for the awareness, we have to work, we have to take collaboration with the local communities, and then only we can go for the sustainable development of the practices of these particular medicinal plants. Now, the most important part, that is about the cultivation of medicinal plants. For cultivation, we should provide the particular type of trainers. We have to create the resources, and we also create the marketplaces so that for the local empowerment of the pupils which are involved in these medicinal plant cultivations. So cultivation practices along with the market availability should be there. Now, I have created a particular type of integrations between the traditional knowledge, synergies, and goals. Look, we have a plant and it was surrounded by different type of pupils. So in that particular type of different type of pupils, a particular group only knows about the medicinal properties of that plant. And this particular group of people, they should aware the other pupils also. When the other people get aware and when the flora will increase, it will ultimately affect the flora of our planet. So the first thing, that is the traditional knowledge must be there, then there will be some type of synergies which can correlate with the goals and achievements for that particular type of traditional knowledge. For example, if we talk about the nutritional level, so the group of people that know about the nutritional level of a plant, they will uh, aware people about the nutritional values of the plant, then the consumption of that particular plant will take place, and due to this the nutritional deficiency, the hunger and some type of diseases, it will automatically get cured by the traditional knowledge. So nutritional plant containing essential micronutrients, they can also contribute to end the poverty. Why? Because these particular plants, they can be sold out at a local level, and that can be used as a part of revenue generation. Now, for prospecting new plant for food and medicines, the plants that are not known to the people, that can also be used and can be known to the people, and that can be used by the local peoples also, and that will definitely ensures the sustainable consumption and production patterns. So these are the some type of integrations. Now I had done a first case study that is regarding the Ayurveda in India. So in India, there is a use of medicinal plants from the ancient time. So these plants, they in Ayurveda used for the treatment of different type of diseases which are considered to be health issues and promote all over well-beings. And the impact of education sustainable development also initiates the promotion of this Ayurvedic medicine system in India. Now, there are some type of challenges while having the Ayurvedic industries. The first one, that is the over exploitation of medicinal plants. The increasing demand for medicinal plants in Ayurvedic industry had led to the exploitation of certain plant species, putting them at a risk of extinction. For example, if only the leaf of a plant had been used for a preparation of medicines, then the people go and they can eradicate the whole plant from the soil, due to which the whole plant that is not important, or the part that is not important, also get exploited. So this must be solved. It is one of the challenge for this particular type of sustainable development. Second thing, that is the lacking of regulation and quality control. In particular type of traditional medicine systems, they do not have any type of quality control, and that's why the particular amount, the efficacy, product safety, it was not can be leading to a particular type of medicines. So the herbal medicine industries faces the challenges related to the lack of regulation and quality control, leading to the issues with product safety and efficacy. Now, the solutions for this particular type of challenges, the first one, that is the sustainable cultivation practices. If we go for the promoting the sustainable cultivation practices such as organic farming, agroforestry, and wild harvesting to ensure the long-term availability of medicinal plants. The second thing, that is the certification and quality standard, means by implementing the certification program and quality standard to ensure that authentic safety and efficacy of Ayurvedic products. And the third one, that is community engagement. If the local peoples had been engaged, they can be promoted, and their sources had been utilized, that will one of the it will become one of the sustainable development for this particular type of medicine practices. Finally, if we come for the conclusion, the education in the sustainable development play a crucial role in promoting the use of medicinal plants in the Ayurvedic industries. By raising awareness among the importance of conservation, ethical sourcing, and quality control, we can ensure the long-term availability of these valuable resources. I urge government, organization, and individuals to support initiatives that promote the conservation and responsible use of medicinal plants by working together to implement sustainable cultivation practices, establish quality standards, and engage local communities. We can safeguard the future of Ayurvedic medicine and protect the biodiversity of our planet. Finally, let's commit to preserving the rich tradition of Ayurveda while promoting environmental sustainability and ethical practices in the herbal medicine industries. Together, we can make a positive impact on our health, our communities, and our planet. So, these are the references. Thank you.